What's up guys, your Biglee here. If you're trying to build the meat in your triceps, then you got to do lying triceps extension, which we call as skull crushers. It's a very effective exercise when done in a proper form. Let me teach you how it is done. I take a grip that is slightly closer than my shoulders, lift the weights, lie down completely, bring the weight straight above my chest and then move it by some 15 to 20 degrees towards my head so that my arm is in a slanting position, and from this position I try to extend my triceps so that the bar is almost close to my forehead. This is the reason why the exercise was named as skull crushers, as you bring it close to your skull, and this is the ideal position where you can place maximum stress on your triceps. A lot of people keep it straight like this and try to extend, in which you're not incorporating your triceps enough, and some people try to tilt their arm too much away and do an extension which puts too much load on your lats. So the best way to do is 15 to 20 degrees and right to your forehead. Until I see you in the next workout video, this is your Biglee, over and out.